My name is Irvin Fang. I'm an ophthalmologist, born and raised in Southern California, and got involved with the Beeves about 11 years ago, where one of my colleagues was involved with this medical volunteer trip. I was always sort of fascinated watching him because he'd come back and tell these fascinating stories and just wanted to kind of be involved with it. So one year he wasn't able to go, so I actually went in his place, and it was just a tremendous, amazing experience. There are 300 islands in Fiji and only 4 regional medical centers. So for the population of 1 million, how do they get to getting any type of eye care? They'd have to travel to a different island. And here we actually bring in all this facility supplies so that we can actually do the most modern technique for cataract surgery here for the Fijian people, all at no expense. It's a tremendously rewarding experience where within a 24-hour time period, patient comes in, they get evaluated, they get diagnosed with cataracts, they do cataract surgery the next day, they can see.
Can you see how many fingers? 2. Whoa! Hey.
My name is Lydia, and my mom's name is Issei. She lives in the farmhouse in Navonu, and I live in the village called Mbangasau. Some of the things that I remember about my mom is taking me out to the sea and then floating there with 2 or 4 coconuts tied up together, floating and following her go out fishing so I can float because I really don't know how to swim, and doing the washing in the river. And she usually goes to the sea with my dad and dives for fish, clam, all those stuff. So those are some of the things that my mom does to help us with our education and our living. Oh, I think it's about maybe 6 or 7 years now. She's starting to have that some side like it's a blur. And then lately this year when she heard that the doctors are coming, she really wants to get better eyesight because she lives alone with my dad in the farm. She doesn't want me to come and look after them, but she wants to look after my dad and herself alone. She's hoping that after the operation she can go back to doing the weaving and the tapa beating and going to the farm again after the operation. She had operation on right eye on Monday, and she had the left eye done yesterday. So she's so happy this morning when the bandages are taken off, and she's got her sight back. She's looking fine. She can see things now properly, better than before. She knows and that she can do the work she usually does before. Yeah, most of the time it's very difficult for her. So like they're living alone, just her and my dad. And my dad does all the work like lighting the fire, doing the cooking, getting the food. Sometimes he does the washing too. She's saying that my dad can go back to his normal work, like doing the farm work, and she's doing the housework again by herself. It'll be a very big blessing to them that she's got her eyesight back. She can see her grandchildren. She's got a great-grandson. She's very happy to see them all again. She can see before, only when they come closer, but she can tell when she hears the voice from afar. Yes, she can see a fan now.